Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because we're doing something that was requested a lot, mostly by the ladies at my church. So we're gonna be doing a Queen inspired makeup using some brand new products I'm pretty excited about. Really excited to try them out. Just before we jump into the video, here is a short shout out to our sponsors. Today's video is sponsored by Nicholas Samford & Son, The Shipwrights, Dorset. The company offers complex services including the design and construction of your dream ship or boat. Nicholas Samford & Son guarantee the best quality and fast turnaround. Only this week you'll get 10% off their wide selection of galleons with the code GLORIANA. So first of all, I'm not sure if you've noticed something different about my hair today, but I tried the urine bleaching trick and it didn't really work. So if you do have some urine that you wanted to use for bleaching your hair, I'd suggest to save it and use it for dyeing your fabrics instead. I did also try out dyeing it with saffron, and I think it has like a more yellowy glow to it, but nothing close to the Queen herself. So the product I'm the most excited today is the brand new White Lead and Vinegar foundation, also called Ceruse. Now you might have seen this white pale face look on some of your royal relatives or the Queen herself, but no one would spill the wine on the recipes. And we've all tried like mixing roots with leaves and the white egg formula, and it all didn't quite turn out as white as we hoped. But now the Queen's recipe has become available because it was written down in one of the Italian books of wonders, and I'm actually one of the first people to translate it, so I'm really excited about that. If you do want a copy of the Book of Wonders, I'll link it in the description for you. What I heard about this LED foundation is that it has this cute pearly shine to it that shows on your skin really nicely, so I'm gonna give it a try. Now we don't want to overdo it because you might get kicked out from your local church. So I've only done one half of the White Lead foundation right now, and don't forget to put some of it on your ear and your neck, the piece that's showing from above your ruff. So now just for comparisons, the half that I've painted, and this is my natural skin tone. So that's my whole face covered with the foundation. As usual, I'm using vermilion for my cheeks and lip, and it's totally my preference. I know a lot of wenches get great results with cochineal, but I just happen to get my vermilion from a merchant friend who imports it. Now, I'm going to omit the usual step of underlining my eyelashes with kohl because I've noticed that a lot of ladies stop doing it, so I feel like that's kind of a little bit old-fashioned now. We're going for this no eyelashes look. And if my bosom was exposed, I would probably also draw some green veins here and there, but since it's just my face, you know, a veiny face is not a good look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick LED-based look. I feel like Ceruse face paint can really revolutionize makeup, and I feel like I'm gonna be using it for a long time. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and see you next time. Oh my god.